Let's learn Shape It Up. It's choreographed by Daniel Trepat, Jose, Miguel, Belloque, Vane, and Vane Verdonk. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, high improver level line dance with tags on the ends of walls 1 and 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Shape It Up. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a right mambo step, rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, step back with your right. We're now going to step back with our left and we're going to swivel our right toe out, step back with your right, swivel your left toe out. We're now going to do a left coaster step, step your left foot back, right together, left forward. We're now going to do a ball step, scuff, stepping your right next to your left, step forward with your left and then scuff your right heel. As you scuff, you want this to slightly go over your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your mambo step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do cross out, out. So you're going to cross your right over your left, quickly step back with your left, step your right foot out to the side. You're now going to cross your left over your right. We're going to quickly make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a jazz box with a step forward, so cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our scuff. You're going to do your cross out, out. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, pointing your right toe to the right side to face 12 o'clock. We're going to do a quarter turning sailor step, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot out to the side to face 3 o'clock, step your right foot out to the side. We're now going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left, and step your left foot to the side. So let's try that with some counts. We're facing 9 o'clock, weight is on your left. You're going to do your half quarter point. In total is going to be a 3/4 turn. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to weave, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock, step forward with your left. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, right, left, and that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're going to weave 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our mambo. So it's mambo, step, back, swivel, coaster, step, ball, step, scuff, cross out, out, cross quarter side, jazz box with a step forward, half quarter point, sailor quarter turn, cross rock, recover, ball, cross, side, weave behind, side cross, side rock, recover, behind, quarter forward, walk, walk. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your mambo. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the tags. It's going to be the same 4 count tag that happens on the ends of walls 1 and 4. So the first time you do it, you'll be facing 6 o'clock. The second time you do it, you'll be facing 12 o'clock, but you'll be doing the same 4 counts. So I'm going to face the front so that you can see what it looks like, and then we'll practice it to both walls. Weight will be on your left. We're going to do a step kick. So you're going to step forward with your right foot, kick your left foot forward. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping back with your left foot, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left, and that is the whole tag. So let's try it with some counts, weights on your left, stepping with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the very first time we do it will be the end of wall 1. So you'll do your side or rock, behind, quarter forward, walk, walk, and you're going to add on your tag, step, kick, coaster, step. You'll then dance 3 walls. When we come to the back wall for wall 4, you'll dance the 32 counts and do that same tag, step, kick, coaster, step. And after that, you don't have to worry about anything. You can hear it coming in the music, and it's going to be 4 counts that sound different than that wall, so you'll kind of get the idea of where it's happening. Now the dance ends facing 12 o'clock. After your coaster step, I just kind of step forward instead of doing my scuff. So instead of doing a coaster, step, ball, step, scuff, I just do my coaster, step, ball, step, step. And that is how I would end the dance. Of course, you can end however you would like, as it ends facing 12 o'clock. So if you would like to scuff, go ahead. If you just want to step forward, whatever feels good for you. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. When we do the first tag, I will do it with steps. The second time will be with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our mambo step. So it's mambo, step, back swivel, coaster, step, ball, step, scuff, cross, out, cross, quarter, side, jazz, box, step. Half pivot, quarter point, sailor, quarter turn, cross, rock, recover, ball, cross, side, weave, behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, behind, quarter, forward, walk, walk, do your tag, step, kick, coaster, step, start over, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Mambo, step, back swivel, coaster, step, ball, step, scuff, cross, out, cross, quarter, side, jazz, box, step. Half quarter point, sailor, quarter turn, cross, rock, recover, ball, cross, side, weave, behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, behind, quarter, forward, walk, walk, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Do your tag, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Mambo, step, back swivel, coaster, step, ball, step, scuff, cross, out, cross, quarter, side, jazz, box, step. Half quarter point, sailor, quarter turn, cross, rock, recover, ball, cross, side, weave, behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, behind, quarter, forward, walk, walk. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance till the end of the song where you end facing 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Shape It Up. If you have any questions, let me know.
I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control, 'cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying, it's electrifying. You better shape up.